Welcome! This video is going to teach you how to do a freeze frame effect in Flixier. Flixier makes adding freeze frames to your videos easier than ever. All you need to do is move the playhead to the desired frame in the video. For more precision, you can move the playhead one frame at a time by using the left and right arrow keys. Once you've reached the desired location, right-click on the video in the timeline and select Freeze Current Frame. You can change the duration of the effect and then click on Add. You'll notice the freeze frame will appear on the timeline as an area covered in diagonal stripes. You can further adjust the duration of the effect by dragging on the edge of the freeze frame like this. That's it, you've now successfully added a freeze frame to your video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, then please consider giving it a like. If you want to see more videos like this and stay up to date on the latest Flixier features, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook and Twitter.